In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on your Kia Sorento. Located under the hood, let's get started. We're going to locate this cover, and all we need to do is pull, and it's going to have these two clips on the side. All we need to do is pull on each side and pull the filter out. And here's your old filter. And here we have the new one. Before you slide it in place, you want to make sure that you are in the unlock position, like so. Now we're going to slide it in the same way it came out. Once you have it bottomed out, simply lock both sides. Once it's locked, simply close the cover, and that's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.